Imagine this. You've built a beautiful online store, spent hours running ads, and finally started getting visitors. But then, nothing. No sales, just abandoned carts. It feels like your store is invisible, right? But what if I told you that AI could completely transform your e-commerce business? From predicting your customer's next purchase to automating sales 24/7, AI isn't the future. It's the present, and the biggest brands are already using it. Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how AI can skyrocket your e-commerce sales in 2025 and the AI tool that could double your profits overnight. Running an e-commerce business used to mean juggling everything yourself. Finding winning products, writing product descriptions, running ads, handling customer support, guessing what customers actually want. But let's be honest, that's exhausting. And that's exactly why 90% of new e-commerce stores fail. Because if you're still doing everything manually in 2025, you're already falling behind. So, how do you win? Simple. You let AI do the heavy lifting. The solution: AI tools that boost sales, AI-powered product research, find winning products in seconds. Most beginners spend weeks looking for winning products, but AI tools like eCom AI, Sell the Trend, and Manea analyze millions of data points and show you trending, profitable products in seconds. Pro tip: use AI tools to predict viral products before your competitors do. AI-powered ad creation and targeting. Get more sales for less money. Running Facebook and TikTok ads. AI can automate your entire ad strategy. Pencil AI and AdCreative.ai generate high-converting ad copy and visuals in seconds. No guesswork needed. Bonus hack: AI tools like Hyraz and Magix track your customer's journey across multiple platforms, so you don't waste money on the wrong audience. AI chatbots and automated customer support save time, boost conversions. Imagine never answering another customer support email again. AI chatbots like TDO, Gorgias, and ChatGPT-powered assistants handle customer inquiries 24/7, leading to 30% higher conversions. Real example: Shopify stores using AI chatbots see 35% fewer abandoned carts. AI-powered personalized upsells and emails, more revenue from every customer. AI tools like Klaviyo, Omnisend, and Rebuy track customer behavior and automatically send upsell offers and personalized emails, increasing your average order value, AOV, by 20 to 30%. Smart strategy: set up an AI-powered abandoned cart email sequence. Stores using this recover 50% more lost sales. Now that you've seen how AI can automate product research, ads, customer service, and emails, you might be wondering, what's the ultimate AI tool that can 10x your e-commerce profits? The secret tool: AI dropshipping agents. The biggest brands aren't using AliExpress anymore. They use AI-powered fulfillment services like CJ Dropshipping AI, Dropaspy, and USA Drop to automate sourcing, fulfillment, and faster shipping. Pro tip: using AI fulfillment instead of AliExpress can cut your shipping time from 30 days to just 5 to 7 days, which means happier customers and higher profits. So, are you going to keep struggling manually, or will you use AI to scale smarter and faster? Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more learning videos.